AP is 0, then the 29th term is dash its 19th term. Means what? Say this. There is an arithmetic progression whose 9th term means Tn, T9 equals to 0. Okay. Now what is given? 29th term is sometimes means x times, we don't know, the 19th term. See this, T29 equals to x times the 19th term. We have to find out the x. Okay. Now let T1 equals to A first term and common difference equals to D, T2 minus T1. Okay. Therefore T9 equals to what? A plus 9 minus 1 into D, right? Okay. So A plus 8D. But T9 you know that is 0. Therefore A plus 8D equals to 0. Therefore A equals to minus 8D. Okay. Now we got the relationship between A and D. Okay. So now go for T29. T29 equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A is what? Minus 8D plus n is what? We want 29th. So 29 minus 1 into D. Okay. Therefore solve this. Equals to minus 8D plus 28D. That is 20D. Now T9 you got 20D. Now find T19. So T19 equals to again A plus 19 minus 1 into D. A is minus 8D first term. That is minus 8D plus 18D equals to 10D. Okay. So now T29 is 20D. T19 is 10D. So T29 is how many times T19 now? 20 equals to 2 into 10. So 2 into T19. So T29 equals to 2 times T19. So your answer is 2. Next, if the mth term of an AP is 1 upon n and nth term is 1 upon m, then the sum of first mn terms is this mn is quite confusing. Remember, there are 3 different numbers given. One is. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.